Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a very interesting SQL interview question, follow up Airpod percentage. Let's get into the question. Apple retention team needs your help to investigate buying patterns. Write a query to determine the percentage of buyers who bought Airpod directly after they bought iPhones. Round your answer to a percentage with no decimals. We are given an input table which has transaction ID, customer ID, product name and transaction timestamp. And we are given three different customers. If you see the first customer, he has purchased an iPhone followed by an AirPod. We should consider this customer in our output. If you see the second customer, he has purchased an iPhone first, followed by an iPad, and then he has purchased an AirPod. So we should not consider this customer in our output. If you see the third customer, he has purchased an iPhone first, followed by an AirPod. Out of three customers, we should include two customers in our output. So 2 divided by 3 is 67%. I hope the question is clear. Before we get into the problem, let's see what is a lag and a lead function. A lag function is used to populate a row that precedes the current row, whereas a lead function is used to populate a row that succeeds the current row. So from the current row, if you would like to populate the previous row, we have to go with lag function. From the current row, if you would like to populate the next row, we have to go with lead function. I have given the create and the insert script in the description so that you can try to solve the problem on your own. Here is our input table, transactions. Let's try to solve the problem. I need only the customer ID and the product name in my query. So I am including those two columns in my query, customer ID and product name. And I am going to use the lag function to populate the previous row. Lag of product name over partition by customer ID order by transaction timestamp. I'm going to alias this as previous product name. Let me run this query. So here I got the product name and the previous product name. Now I am going to create it as a temporary table and I am going to name it as customer transactions with customer transactions as close it. So let me select the temporary table. Customer transactions. Here is the result. Now I have to find out the customers who purchased an AirPod and their previous purchase is an iPhone. Let's do that. Select sum of case when product name equals to Airpod and previous product name equals to iPhone. Then I'm going to populate 1, else I'm going to populate 0 divided by count distinct of all the customer IDs. Count of distinct of customer IDs. Let me run this. I got the result in decimals. Now I am going to convert this to a percentage. For that, I'm multiplying this with 100 and I am going to round the result to remove the decimals. Round of this, comma 0. I am going to alias this as follow percentage. Let me run this query. Here is the result. Hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.